My name is Samantha Smith, and I am a senior in UNC Greensboro's Public Health Program. This is my media analysis project for Health 471 regarding Syrian refugees. In this presentation, we will be looking into how the media shapes our thinking and understanding of the current refugee crisis in Europe and of the health issues experienced by the Syrian refugees. I completed my research through the Huffington Post. The two featured sources I specifically analyzed were all of the blog entries in the Impact What's Working section and all articles in the political section of the Huffington Post during the month of September 2015. I chose September specifically because that is when photos went viral of the 3-year-old boy whose body washed ashore in Turkey. This heart-wrenching image is what began to spark much debate on Syrian refugees across the world. The blogs were written as thought-provoking pieces. They were written to inspire Americans and everyone across the globe to do more to help Syrian refugees. The articles in the political section were different. They were written by reporters. They contained facts and numerous quotes from refugee service organizations and politicians like Hillary Clinton. The verbs support, advocate, war, trigger, commit, and help were used numerous times to describe the characteristics, actions, and events related to the health of Syrian refugees in Europe. They carried very strong implications. The verbs support, advocate, commit, and help were all used to express how the United States could be doing more to help and support the Syrian refugees. Trigger was used to describe how the photo of the 3-year-old boy washed ashore triggered our emotions. The nouns crisis, emergency, indifference, human, fact, victim, statistics, underdog, and relief were used to describe Syrian refugees. These nouns carried very strong connotations. The words like crisis, emergency, and victim invoke feelings of urgency that something needs to be done quickly to help the Syrian refugees. In the blogs, you can feel the tone that the writer sets as being deeply sympathetic and urgent that there is more that the United States can do to help Syrian refugees. There is less emotion portrayed in the political articles written by reporters. These articles were more straightforward and state facts, but the articles were usually left open-ended for political debate. After reading the blog entries, readers feel compelled to do something to help Syrian refugees. The political articles almost make readers feel disconnected and that it is up to the president and other politicians as to whether or not we are able to help Syrian refugees. The final slide contains a chart that shows recurring themes and patterns in the articles from the Huffington Post. The blogs are represented in blue, while the political articles are orange. The unit of analysis is the number of times the word occurred, and the categories are represented by specific words. The words crisis, support, advocate, and war were used nearly equally by both the blogs and political articles. In the blogs, the word empathy was used 11 times, but never occurred in any of the political articles. This reiterates that the blogs were thought-provoking and tried to get readers to empathize with the Syrian refugees. The word refugee was used an astounding 39 times in the political articles. This shows that the reporters did not like to use words like children. Instead, they tried to desensitize the matter by using words like refugees.